Hello everyone, my name is Govind and this is Zappable Review, and I'm going to review Zappable, which is the mobile app making software. You can make any type of mobile app. It can be Android app, it can be iOS app. Okay, so first of all I want to disclose my bonuses with this app. If you will buy my link, then I will offer you the bonuses directly after your purchase. Okay, so let's check out my bonuses. This is my review of Zappable. You can read this whole review with the link which is available on the description. Okay, so let's come to the bonuses. Click here to check. So here are the massive bonuses. Okay, I have offered you. I'm not disclosing the value of these bonuses. You can evaluate its pricing by checking on the web. Okay, so first is Thrive Architect, which is very essential software to build sales and landing pages. If you want to make funnels, if you want to make landing pages, light landing pages which will not take a lot of time to load on the web. Okay, so this is a very good app for WordPress users. Okay, the second one is Divi Builder. These two are the major bonuses I am offering you with the Zappable review and Zappable software. Okay, so Divi, you also heard about this. Divi is the WordPress page builder. You can make any type of website with this drag and drop builder. Okay, so you can check the price on the web. Both are very expensive softwares, and the membership of the software I am offering you is Thrive Architect is for lifetime membership. Divi Builder for unlimited users for 1 year. Okay, and there are other bonuses I am offering you. Traffic generating resources. Fourth is content marketing strategies. Fifth is find your niche. This is a video course which is helpful to find your niche if you want to start your entrepreneurship journey. If you are in internet marketing journey, then this is a very useful course for you, and you can use this course for planning your next business. Okay, so sixth bonus is 8,000 plus Facebook business group. Okay, so these bonuses are very useful for your internet marketing niche, and if you design or if you create an application with the help of Zappable, then some of the bonuses will help you a lot. Okay, so this bonus has 8,000 plus Facebook business groups where you can share your application by engaging some other users of that group. Okay, so you can see my bonuses here. I will put this link on the description. You can check all the bonuses. Okay, so here are a total of bonuses of 19. Okay, so here are 19 bonuses, and if you want to get some more valuable bonuses, you can ask us to send your purchase copy with our link with our email. Okay, so this is our email ID. You can mail us for the bonus access, and if you want to get more essential bonuses, we can offer you with the negotiation. Okay, so these bonuses will automatically deliver to your inbox, which of the mail ID you will use while the purchasing of Zappable. So not further delay, just back to the Zappable review. Okay, so this is the Zappable dashboard, Zappable app builder dashboard, and here are some of the app have already created by some users, and these two apps I have created recently. So these two apps I am demonstrating you what type of app I have built recently. Okay, so in Zappable, what you have to do, you have to put your app name, just like other app name mentioned here. Okay, so I am giving the name. My name is Govind Rana, so I am giving the name to my app, my own name. Okay, then click on create app. After clicking on it, you can see that here are lots of templates available. Okay, and you can choose a template based on the basis of category, what type of category, what is your business, and for which you want to make an app. Okay, so I want to create a basic app, so I don't use any category, choose any category. So here are the templates, and I want to choose, I have to choose one template. Suppose this template I am choosing right now. After choosing the template, this screen will appear on your Zappable dashboard. Okay, so here is the preview of the app. Okay, this is the app preview, and here is layout section. Okay, so what is this overall dashboard, and how you can handle Zappable dashboard. Okay, so one by one I am covering all the menus here, which menu is responsible for which changes. Okay, so here is your app name, so you are working on this particular app. Okay, so this menu is responsible for different changes. First is designing. In designing you can change your app layout and the starting unified home page setting. Okay, so two things you can change on designing. So first of all, I want to change my layout again. So layout basically is when you will open the menu, what which type of animation appears, and how the menu will appear in front in your app. Okay, so here are different looks of your menu opening. Okay, so once you hover the template and layout, this is on working, this shows on working. Okay, so I like this design. Okay, so I choose this layout, and after choosing this layout, your app is now changed. Okay, so you can see that my menu is on the bottom, and if you click any of the menu, it goes to that menu. Okay, so now I have changed my design layout. So now come to the colors. Okay, so here are the colors of your app. You can change these colors according to your logo and according to your branding, what type of branding you want to give your app. Okay, so here is a general location. So first of all, I am changing my home page. Okay, so this is the home page, and directly I can see the changes in this preview. Okay, so the text color is now black, and the background is white, border is this color, teal color. Okay, so now I am changing the image. What is image color? You can see that in the app preview there are images. You can say these images as icon. Okay, so these are icon, and this color is for responsible for this image, these images. Okay, so I am changing the color to the red. Okay, and background is black. Okay, and now text color is white, and you can see that all the colors are changes here. Okay, now I am going to the header. So how you can see the header changes? If I change here, you cannot see any of the changes in the preview menu. Okay, so here is if I am going to any of the menu, here is the header appearing on the preview section. Okay, so if now I am changing the color, then the changes will appear on this preview section. Okay, so this color I want to use, this is the color, and the text color I want to use is white as it is. Okay, so next, go to the next option. Here are the button. Okay, so here are lots of options here, but you cannot see the changes here, and if you will not create lots of options. Okay, so these are the colors you can change here. Okay, there are lots of options here, icons, dialog, emails, how your emails looks on your app. Okay, so this is the color options. Okay, so you can choose according to your use, according to your app, what type of changes you want. So for further not doing any delay, just go to features. Okay, so features is the main section of Zappable. Okay, so your app is fully based on the features. Okay, so here are some features already add on this app. You can remove all of these and add some other features. Okay, so if you it depends on your goal, what type of app you want to make. Okay, so not going there, I'm going to my previous app. Okay, which I already created, and going to manage, and then I'm going to features. Okay, so here are the features. So I have created a restaurant app where a menu is appear, and the videos, some of the food videos here, and the booking here. Okay, and my account is default. Any of the app has my account option, where anyone can create their own username. Okay, so in menu you can see three types of menu I have made there: fried chicken, cocktail, cold drink, and finger chips. So three types of menu I have created here. So you can create any of the menu and show to your uh, viewer, show to your user. Okay, so these are the features, and one of the section I am also showing you videos. Okay, how you can add the videos. Okay, so I have chosen here YouTube videos, and if I again add a section here, this is already added so that all the options is not appear here. Okay, I'm going to the feature, and add a media and the video. Okay, so here is a video, and add a content. If you add a content, you can add content from Vimeo, podcast, or YouTube. So to use the content from these platforms, you have to integrate your channel or any of things. Okay, so how you can integrate? If I click on YouTube, it asks me to a YouTube API key is required. Okay, so how you can add your API? So this is enabling. I have to reload this app again. So in the settings section, you see that API keys. Here is a menu which named API keys. In API keys, you have seen that there are lots of API keys you have to integrate. You can integrate by your use. You don't have to put all the APIs here. Okay, so this is the YouTube API key. If you put your YouTube API key, so how you can obtain your YouTube API key? It is not a typical task. You can Google it, or on search on YouTube. You will find authentic and workable options there. Okay, so just go to the previous section. Okay, so this is the app, and it is created now. So I want to see the preview of this app. Okay, so I'm going to the application, and in application you have seen that here is dashboard icon and push notifications. Okay, so here are some more changes. You can see that. Okay, so what is this change? You can go to the menu and see the menus here. Okay, so this is the menu, and this is the arrow icon, which is used for to back to the go to the other menu. Okay, so you can choose the arrow icon here, and just go again. Here you can change your push notification icon, push notification color. Okay, and this is the final home page image. Okay, so here you can change your home page image, but the problem is your image has to be high resolution. The recommended size is mentioned here, and you have to make your image of this size. Otherwise, you cannot upload your image. Okay, so these are some more changes here, and now I am giving showing you how you can see your application live. Okay, so in the application menu you will see my app name. This is my app, and I am clicking on generating. Okay, so here is a disadvantage of this Zappable. If you want to download your app, download your APK, or in iOS here is a format of IPA. Okay, so if you want to generate it, then you have to first generate it, and in the generating it takes more than 1 hour or 2 hour. Okay, so you have to wait for that time, and after that you can download your APK. Okay, here is a link. Okay, a web app link here, and once I click in this link, a pop-up is appearing on your computer or mobile. Okay, so this is my app which shows here. I'm shifting to the center it. Okay, so now you can use your app. Once I click on menu, it shows me menu, and it gives a pop-up of your location enabling. Okay, so this is the fried chicken, and as it is what I created on my app. Okay, so this is a simple and basic app, but here are lots of advanced options here. One is the commerce. Okay, here is a commerce, and you can add your products here, just like WooCommerce. Okay, you can make your e-commerce app here, and here are lots of integrations. You can see that you can integrate WordPress, WooCommerce, as you use on your website the options available on the WordPress. As it is, you can use the same options in this app, and you can build it as you build for your website. Okay, before using WordPress here, you have to put some basic details here. Okay, titles of title, short by, and login password here. Okay, so this is your web WordPress URL, and without VPN JSON. So once I put my WordPress website URL here, this is my website, and I'm copy here and go to my dashboard and put the name and giving the title and the subtitle and short by and short order as it is, and cover as it is, login, password. So password I'm not giving here, so by skipping after putting the password, I'm coming back. So after putting the password, I save it, and after saving it, it shows the success. Okay, so my WordPress is now here. Okay, so here are my details. Okay, website details, and I can add from the categories and the pages. Okay, so here I save it. For it I have to put some more details here. Okay, so again the password and all the details. It will help me to get the data from my WordPress website also. Okay, so the whole website you can put your app. Okay, so this is a very good option for the Zappable users, and here lots of integrations. I cannot cover all these things here. So Zappable is I think Zappable is very good on this price. The price is $497, which is one time for all the users. And if you will upgrade it for using the more options, advanced options, you have to pay some more pricing for a yearly basis. Okay, so this is it for the Zappable review, and I hope you like this review, and I'm covering lots of things here. Okay, so here are some more options. You can send push notifications to your users, but for the push notification you have to publish your app once, then you can send the push notification. After after it you can choose more, you can use more plugins here: property listing, user groups, Google Analytics. Okay, so these are the advanced features of Zappable. I cannot cover in one video. In future I will give you more authentic review for this Zappable. Okay, so that's it for you, and I am recommending you to buy this software. Okay, so before leaving this video, I again want to take you to the bonuses of my Zappable review. Okay, so once you will uh, see my review and go to the bonuses, you will see the high value of bonuses will offer you if you buy with my link. Okay, so hope you guys like my video, subscribe to my channel, and uh, go for this app builder.